Next.
Chicken.
Here is the chicken with her little chicks. Oh, here is a beautiful yellow chick. And look at the beautiful feathers.
Next.
One chicken, many chickens. Who comes next?
Turkey.
Yes. Here is the turkey coming to meet you. What is this? Beak. What is this? What is this one? Feathers. One turkey,
One turkey.
many turkeys. Bye bye turkey. Who comes next?
Piggy.
Pig. Here is the pig. Here are 3 piglets.
Piglet.
How do you call pigs, baby?
Piglet.
Oh, piglets. Pig says oink oink. Who comes next? Cow. Cow says moo. Here are the cows looking at you. Do you know what do they call this one? What is the baby doing? Baby milk குடிக்கிற இடத்தை என்ன சொல்றாங்க? அடு. How do they call the baby? Calf. What is this portion called?
Mommy.
Hoof. Bye bye cow. Who comes next?
Dog.
Here is the dog. Here are 3 sleepy puppies. Look at the beautiful nose. How many puppies do you see here?
3.
What are they doing? Who comes next? Sheep. How do you call the baby?
Lamb.
Yes, here are the sheep with a little lamb. What do you get from the sheep skin? Wool. Bye bye sheep. Oh, here comes next. Goat. Here is the goat lying down with her kid. How do you call goats, baby? Kid. Hi kids.
Mama, it's kind of like a baby kid.
Yeah, that's why we call it as a kid. Who comes next?
Duck.
Quack, quack, quack.
Duckling.
What is the duck doing?
Swimming.
Mommy duck. Here are the ducks with the fluffy ducklings. How do you call the baby duck? Duckling. Who comes next?
I don't know.
Goose. Here are the white geese looking all around. What is this portion called? Neck. Hi. Oh, here is the horse running with her foal. How do you call the hair of the horse?
What's me?
Mane.
I know that.
How do you call the baby horse? Here are 2 little ponies. Cute brown ponies. Oh, here is the cat curled up with her kitten. Where is the cat lying?
I don't.
On the hay. Kitten is so cute. Come see us again soon. Oh, the farm animals are about to say bye to us. How do they say bye?
Bye.
Cow says moo. Pig says
Oink.
hen says chick chick. Cat says
Meow.
goat says
Ah.
sheep says horse says
Which animal do you like the best?
which animal do you like the best?
I like the hot.
I like the sheep.
I like the hot. I like the
Oh.
big. I like the big heart. I like hot.
Bye.
You like the good.